Alright, this is Dachs Vom Mountain Creek. He's 12 weeks old. This is probably 120-yard track. It's only an hour old. We're not going to use a leash at all. See what he can do. He'll probably be a little, his energy level in the last few weeks has really increased, especially his interest in this. But all right, good. It is marked. Good boy. It'll be fun to let him work it out on his own. Let's go. Hey, Dachs. Hey, here you go. He got so much energy, he's excited. Here you go. Good boy. Good. Here you go. Dachs, here you go. Good boy. No, hey, let's go. Here you go. Here. Easily distracted. Here you go. Dachs, here you go. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Good boy. You go find it. Hey, find it. Here you go. Good boy. Find it. Come on, let's go. Good boy. Good boy. Good. There we go. Good boy. Let's go. Good. Come on. Dachs, here you go. Good boy. He's good right there. Gonna go right past this white pipe. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Good. I think I can see a marker right up there. You'll see. Good boy. Here you go. Good. Good boy. I can tell. There you go. Good boy. He's going right under this marker here. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Go straight for a little further. Looks like he's gonna turn right here. Good. Here's my marker. Good. He's gonna kind of turn right up here. Good boy. I can see the marker over there. Yeah, he's gonna work it out. Good boy. So turn right. Good. Good boy. Good. Good boy, Dachs. Good boy. Oh, now he's on quick speed. There's my other marker. There's my other marker. Yep, he's on it. Good. Good boy. See my marker right in front of him. Good boy. You so excited. And he's back on it. The wind's in our face right now. He's just past him is another marker. Good. Good. Let's go. Find it. Good boy. You can see he went right through here. Good. I'll figure that out. Let's go. Good. Good boy. Let's go. You find it? Good boy. He's going right to it. Here you go. Is that it? Is that it? Dachs, here you go. Here you go. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Good. He's on it. I went right down where he's at. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Kind of runs through it. I think he's getting... It's only an hour old. Might have to let it age a little more the way he's running through it. Like the scent tunnels. Good boy. There's another marker. When we get to a creek down there, he's going to have to take a left. Good boy. Good boy. Good. To the left of this big tree. Good. Now he takes a right. Good boy. Good. Good. He's gonna go left at the creek and then it takes a right over the creek. Good boy. He just needs a little encouragement right now. Good boy. Good boy. Let's see him go left at this creek. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Good. That's a big creek for a little dude. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Good boy. See if he'll cross on his own. Good boy. Let's go. Get it. Get it, Dachs. You got it. Get it. Let's go. Here, let's go. You see where I went. Dachs, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Find it. Let's go. Good boy. Let's go. Good boy. Good. Good. You see that marker? Good boy. And he's right close to it. 15 feet up. That's where. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Good, Dachs. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Good. Good boy. Good boy. There he goes. He's proud of them.